Right, good morning guys, it's now 6:30 AM and it's time for our first Australian road trip. Where are we off to, Jim?
We are off to the Grampians today.
Cannot wait guys, it's going to be awesome. We're going to go pick up the car from the centre and then it's going to be waterfalls, mountains, koala bears fighting each other. It's going to be awesome.
Can't wait to get on the road.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that as one.
Our first stop of the trip is Mackenzie Falls. We just jumped out the car and after about 30 steps we saw a brown snake. We're now walking through a tiny little narrow path with brown things everywhere. I saw a lizard and pooped my pants as well, so thank you Australia.
And I got this soda, Remy boys that know fast money don't slow, no one can control yeah. And I got this soda, Remy boys that know fast money don't slow, but no one can control She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Loves the word, spins the vibe. Lovers it could freak what you are. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, and I got this soda, Remy boys that know fast money don't slow, no one can control. No, yeah. And I got this soda, Remy boys that know fast money don't slow, but no, they can't control.
So we are back. We're at the magic all began. We've got our leftover pizzas and we're eating it in bed. Oh yeah, what a day out guys. It was about 3.5 hour drive all the way to the Grampians. I'm absolutely knackered now. We rented from Europcar in Melbourne and it was about for picking up on the Friday or Saturday morning at 8 o'clock, dropping it off. We can either drop it off on the Monday morning or last thing on the Sunday night. It's $150. Because I'm 25. If you're under 25 it's $30 a day surcharge, but if you're over 25 it's not too expensive at all. Yeah, and I mean it was good. It was a really beautiful drive and everything like that, and well worth a recommendation. I would say if you wanted to pack a tent or anything like that, you could explore Grampians for like weeks. There's so much to do there. And yeah, top 3 tips, what are they?
Make sure you carry lots of water because we actually ended up leaving a little bit early because we had to head down and get more water, and then it was such a long drive.
I felt like we were going to die in the desert.
We ran out and there was like nowhere to fill up, so that would definitely be my top tip.
Lots of bottles of water.
And bring food.
Food, lots of food as well. There's not any cafes or anything like that. There's a small town just at the bottom of the Grampians, so stock up on food there and then take it all up with you.
Wear comfy shoes.
Comfy shoes, lots of walking. There's a few hikes you can get to the balconies, wasn't it? You need to hike to a kilometre to get down to the Mackenzie Waterfalls. It's quite a far walk. All well worth it, but pack comfy shoes and leave early to try and get there nice and early because it's very, very, very busy.
Yeah, well, there's so much to do there that it's not like...
There's so much to do, exactly. It's not overly busy. It's just we were trying to get pictures and it would take a bit longer because of that. And also pack a good camera. You know, make sure your battery's charged because it is perfect for like, there's so many beautiful pictures and all that. Highly recommend it, guys. Favourite place was definitely Mackenzie Waterfall.
Yeah.
The places we went to.
It's
just huge. It's absolutely surreal. But yeah, all round,
Good day.
very good day. We've got another one lined up for tomorrow, but that's a different video, guys. Make sure you check that out. And until next time, like and subscribe the video if you like it. And we'll see you next time, guys. Stay chill.